this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. We are in process of ripping out an old Spa control system, putting in another one of these absolutely fantastic Mini 1 or Mini 2 systems from SpaNet. Have a look at the links in the description and other videos if you know what that is. But this video is just about what the customer's done here in replacing his spa doors. These can fall apart and rot and come to pieces. And I just wanted to show you what he's done, because it's pretty clever. This is just a piece of fibro cement or a solid board, and he has just fit some little aluminium feet down here. You can see they've got a little lip on the edge, and then he's just cut the board to size and painted it. It's just a piece of standard board. It sits in those little feet in the bottom, and then these are the panels that are normally there where you would screw the old one in, and it sits up like that and screws into place. Just absolutely brilliant. And the dark color really does contrast well, rather than trying to match. He's contrasted it, and yeah, looks the part. So quickest, easiest spa door panel replacement. Here's the finished product, putting the new controller in. Have a look at the links in the description if you want to have a look at these. They are a great option to keep your spa alive.